Hi everyone, I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to customize any t-shirt with the TheMagicTouch TTC transfer paper. When it comes to printing onto heat transfer paper, there are many printer options to choose from, although several types of paper are designed specifically for white toner laser printers. There are also papers made for any LED printer. One of these brands of paper is the TheMagicTouch TTC. This specially coated paper can be loaded on most LED printers, and it's made to be applied onto white or light color fabrics. This means you can apply onto a tote bag, mouse pad, or as we'll show in this video, a t-shirt. To apply the TheMagicTouch TTC, set your machine to 20 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. Before printing, make sure that your image is mirrored, meaning that it's flipped horizontally, and use the highest print quality setting. Once your transfer has been printed, simply turn around the image with a pair of scissors. Place your item on the lower platen and make sure that it's clean and wrinkle-free for application. Pre-pressing for 3 seconds can help flatten out the shirt. Afterwards, place and center the transfer face down on the item, then press. After 20 seconds, open the press and peel the transfer smoothly while hot. This shirt is now customized with the TheMagicTouch TTC. To learn more about the TheMagicTouch and other transfer papers, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out to a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and have a great day.